Namaste, sacred brothers and sacred sisters. It's Vireo coming to you from the beauty of my home by Amisk Lake. And in this video, I want to share with you the power of stillness and silence, especially in nature. A few moments ago, I was blessed to be sitting here and hear the wings of the raven flying above me. Such an exquisite sound. And I think sometimes we're so busy in our lives, myself included in the past, that we don't hear the magic like the chickadee right now, the magic that is around us. And the sounds of nature actually have the ability to calm our mind, calm our brain, reset our brain. And there's something magical about nature's sounds. The sounds of water, sounds of birds singing. It actually is beneficial to your brain and will help you come more into your body. So I encourage you to invest some time being in nature, and if you're interested in a private retreat here, or coming out to rent our cabin, or having a customized retreat for yourself where you can come home more deeply to yourself, feel more connected to your sacred sensual self, and feel more present. So may you invest some time being in nature today, listening to the sound of birds, and doing absolutely nothing, which is everything. Namaste, my friends. It's Vireo, dancing pleasure goddess. I don't know if you can hear that, but raven just landed above me, and that was its wings flapping. So I'm Vireo, a belief repatterning practitioner, sacred sexuality coach, and may you go forth today and expand in being present and feel connected, and let nature reset your brain. Namaste, my friends.